Ask
Okay.
Margaret what that means.
I don't know, Cornelia.
So coming up right now,
Just wait, we've got lots of people over by the popcorn, and the next act is going to be close to them.
okay, let's move it.
Those of you feeling your faces over there with popcorn, please get back to your seats.
George is telling more stories over there.
George never stops telling stories. Look at him. Let's all look at George telling his stories to Penny.
Oh, Penny's telling a story by the looks of it. He's very
So
animated.
George,
Look at
explain
it.
to me how the sun comes home. I don't quite understand this.
Yeah, so, like, did the sun come up or is it S-U-N or S-A? I'm not quite sure. But, oh, Penny, you're funny.
For the sun, he comes home to thee.
I should get some popcorn. Hey, do you know about George's story? Do you understand everyone?
And is the popcorn on the house? Because I will not pay. Oh, thank you.
George, tell me a little bit more about it. I don't want to hear George's story.
I need some juice with the popcorn. Okay, let's move right along. That was exciting. Coming up first, we have the Karate Kids.
Karate!
Hey, Karate Kids! Woohoo! Oh, they are kids. They're youngsters. Look at these young folks. Wow. So let's hear a little bit. Oh, those are really thick pajamas here. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to paint a house with those up there.
Okay.
And what's this? Well, okay, I guess I threw you off with the question. Okay, you just go from your script here. There you go, you just follow along.
Thank you. My name is Pat Hammond. This is Keith Morris. Basically, karate is made up of two words, kara, not kara, kara, and that means empty, hollow, like a new bamboo stalk, hollow or empty in the inside, and it also has the word te in it, and in Japanese that means hand. So if you put the two together, empty hand to defend. True karate do is this: it's in daily life, one's mind and body is trained and developed in a spirit of humility, and at critical times, one be devoutly true to the causes of justice.
Did he just make that up, Keith, or is that true?
Okay, so are we gonna have a demonstration? You're gonna keep talking, or you're gonna go bust some stuff over there? All right. You can.
Ladies and gentlemen, the karate kids. Give them a big round.
The first exercise we're going to do is basically we're fighting an invisible opponent, and this is called a kata, or preemptive move. And this is for a green belt level. And the name of the kata is Hayan Sanda. Right? Hayan Sanda. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey! 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, everybody learns with their white belt, going up into belt levels, white belt, orange. We start off performing here. And we start off doing a downward block. Hey! What you do is you move forward 3 blocks and then a punch to finish. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Tosha!
Back. 2, 3.
Tosha!
Second set are what they call triple punches. One head, 2 stomachs. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Backwards. 1, 2, 3. The last set of blocks will be a little bit more. Everybody call it a judo chop or whatever. It's an open hand block. It's called a judo. Open hand. So we'll give you 3 blocks. Forward and back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. Got it. The last part of the demonstration will be a brown belt conference. It's called Teki Shodan. It's a linear movement side to side. And you're depending as if you're fighting up against the wall, side to side this way. Teki Shodan.
Shodan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Tosha!